In this final activity, you will apply both your creativity and your cultural knowledge to design a visual communication tool that promotes sustainability in a hotel setting. The challenge is to design a poster that encourages eco-friendly behavior, but does so in a way that is culturally sensitive and appealing to a specific audience. Start by selecting a single green policy you want to promote. This might be something like asking guests to reuse towels to save water, avoiding plastic bottles, choosing plant-based meals in the restaurant, turning off lights or AC when not in use. Next, choose a cultural group you want to target with this message. This could be a national culture, such as German, Thai, Mexican, or Chinese guests, or a broader cultural style, like business travelers from the Middle East or eco-tourists from Scandinavia. Now consider how that audience communicates. Ask yourself, do they prefer polite, indirect language or direct, concise instructions? Do they respond to humor, formality, emotional appeals? Do they value collective action or personal choice? What colors, images, or symbols are culturally relevant or potentially inappropriate? Using this knowledge, begin designing your poster. Keep the message simple, respectful, and clear, but also tailored to the values and preferences of the audience you selected. For example, a poster for Chinese guests might include themes of community well-being and harmony with nature. For American guests, the poster might emphasize individual impact and freedom of choice. For French guests, elegance and refinement in the design and language could be key. When the poster is complete, share it with the group. Explain your design choices, how you incorporated cultural understanding into your message, and what you hope to achieve. This activity teaches the importance of cross-cultural communication in sustainability. Even the most well-intentioned eco-policy can fail if it's poorly communicated or feels insensitive. A thoughtful, well-crafted message, on the other hand, can inspire guests to participate willingly and feel included in your hotel's green vision.